Hi friends! Okay, I've been dying to come on here and talk to you guys about lips. It's like such a staple piece of our makeup, right? And I love a good bold lip, not too crazy, but a good like night color. And I'm about to go have dinner with my mom and my sister, and we're gonna have a little girls' night. So first I'm gonna be using the Bellame lip liner in the shade Napa. Their packaging, you guys, is like, oh, so good. And you can see the color at the end. So presentation, 10 out of 10. But there are 3 colors, Napa, San Antonio, and Tulsa. And they all have matching lip glosses, which is pretty cool. But I'm gonna kinda throw a wrench in there and use the not matching lip gloss. It creates definition, and in this sense, it creates a contouring of your lips, making them look fuller and more plump. So, along with the lip liner, I'm going to be using Bellame's lip lacquer, which is basically an opaque lip gloss. It's packed with moisturizing actives to prevent your lips from drying out. So great. This stuff is so creamy, you guys, and it doesn't leave your lips feeling sticky or tacky, and that is excellent, and my husband is very appreciative of that. Whenever you do one swipe, it has loads of color on it, so you don't need much, and a little bit goes a long way. Once again, they just fully win on the packaging here. They did a fabulous job. And everything Bellame, these are all vegan, paraben-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, all everything, which I'm a huge supporter of. I have extremely sensitive skin, so I'm always mindful of those things. So let's get started. So I'm going to begin with my Bellame liner in the shade Napa. I'm going to start by outlining the perimeter of my top lip. I love how creamy this product goes on. It has coconut oil in it. It's super smooth. It doesn't scratch or pull on my lips too much. It's awesome. I went ahead and defined my arches, and moving on to that bottom lip. Again, just the perimeter, and then I'm going to go into contouring the edges. This is going to create that contoured look where there's lightness only in the center of my lips. I'm just going to continue that shading on my top lip as well. Just feathering that in a bit. Now I'm going to go in with my Bellame lip lacquer in the shade San Antonio. Sweeping this across my lips will help just blend everything in, leave that lightness in the middle, and perfect! Ombre lips. Looking so plump. You can leave it glossy or blot it with a tissue. And look at that. Alright friends, and that's it. Ready for dinner? Again, Bellame outdid themselves. I hope you enjoy. Try it out.